We are getting a breaking input as far as the new Delhi Chief Minister is concerned. Now we are getting information from the sources that as far as selecting Rekha Gupta as the Chief Minister there is in fact a great thought that has gone into picking up a young woman leader for the Chief Ministerial post. Let me now go across to my colleague Payal Mehta on this. Payal, take us through the detail. What is really the strategy into which the BJP has decided that Rekha Gupta should be the Chief Minister of Delhi?
You know, Sharon, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, BJP does not do anything which does not have a underlining meaning to itself as well. Remember, the women in Delhi had rallied behind BJP with the fact that, not only Kejriwal government failed to fulfill its promises that were made to the people of the state, but also more than anything else, it was an insult to the women that they really felt. In the recent, you heard Swati Maliwal's case come to the fore, how she felt alienated in a party that actually spoke about empowering women. And at the same time, also you've seen how Rekha Gupta's candidature will also mean that the continuity of the Chief Minister of Delhi will be a woman Chief Minister. What did Arvind Kejriwal do in the hindsight? In the hindsight, Arvind Kejriwal said that the moment the elections happen and the results come out, I'll drop the chair of the Chief Minister. That will not go down too well, it seems, with the women of Delhi. So there is a lot of work that Rekha Gupta will have now put in. But undoubtedly, it's a choice which has been well thought out. Rekha has right credentials to herself. 51-year-old young leader, a woman coming in from the prosperous Bania community, which can also send a message to various parts of the country, especially in Bihar. And also the fact remains that she's an RSS and an ABVP choice, which makes it, a win-win situation for everybody.
All right. Many thanks, Payal, for getting us all those details. So like Payal said, there is nothing that the Bharatiya Janata Party does without any underlining meaning or strategy. And that is why they have come up with the name of Rekha Gupta as the Chief Minister for Delhi. With that, we'll slip into a short break. I request all my reporters to stay with us. We'll keep coming back to this.